Hello everyone, John here at ECD Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Very excited to be in front of one of our amazing Defender 110s from our exclusive county collection, Project Cambridgeshire. Now this is a stunning Chawton White vehicle with tan interior, perfect stormtrooper look if you ask me. A lot of black accents against the white, looks very aggressive, sporty at the same time. You see the dip dish wheels also painted to match the body color. The silver Alcon brakes right within the spokes that you can notice in there. Tubular side steps. We have billet metal hardware, of course, outside, very nicely appointed. Access ladder in the rear as well. Here, your glow LED lights that look phenomenal with this. Dual outlet exhausts. You have a trailer plug, hitch receiver, backup camera, parking sensors. Very well equipped as all of our vehicles, part of our special county collection. Now to access the rear here, let me show you. You will pull up this lever, push it out, and there you go. We have a seating configuration for 8 passengers, very nicely appointed with tan leather, honeycomb stitching, CNC, and of course, as you may realize, this one's fold up, and you can hold them in place, of course, with a strip that we put in here to tighten it up. And each one will have your individual seat belts as well. Put the pedestal down and off you go. From here, you can also visualize the center console that has cup holders, power window controls, USB outlets as well. Now, when you get around the car, of course, remember that all of our vehicles come with courtesy lighting. So you see the puddle lights here, illuminating, of course, when you open the doors. To access the hood, of course, here, you will pop this lever towards you, and then you'll hear the hood, of course, released. Now up here, you're gonna come closer to the right side of the grille and open it up. You have an amazing GM LT1 engine, 455 horsepower, absolutely amazing. Now, just to point out a couple of highlights here on this engine bay. All the fluids are very accessible. That's the beauty about this type of engines, of course, that you can take them anywhere for service virtually. You also have a couple of terminals in here for your battery. In the event that you get a flat battery, instead of dealing with the main battery itself, which is located under the driver's side seat, you actually have these terminals to help you do so. Now, in order to keep the battery healthy, let's say if you leave the vehicle unattended for a few days, go on vacation, etc., we also have a built-in trickle charger. All you have to do is take this plug with an extension cord to your wall in your garage. In that way, we'll keep the current flowing through the battery and of course, keep the battery healthy for a long time. Now, inside the car, now we have a beautiful contrast here with the tan leather. We have the radio and switch panels out here, painted to match the exterior color, a premium Evander wooden wheel with metal spokes, of course, and the studs around the rim itself. Very well equipped vehicle. Like I said, up here you have your power window controls to the back, central locking, USB outlets in the front, A and C. Ventilation controls are going to be around this area here. You can see that AC on and off, heated seats as well, and your power windows, which you can see the buttons on each side of the larger screen. We also have a halo floating radio, of course, CarPlay, backup camera display, etc. will be shown in there. Now the car, of course, like I said, is part of our county collection. Absolutely stunning vehicle. All of these are available for sale, and of course this one right now just came off the line, and we want to show you the highlights, of course, as see if it's something that might be of interest to you. All of our cars have the seat brackets custom painted to match the exterior body color. By the way, a really nice detail in there. This one has 4 Corbeau seats in the front and middle row, as well as 4 jump seats in the back. So as I mentioned earlier, maximum capacity of 8 passengers. Over here you have the secondary AC unit, which is independent from the front. You have the AC vent control there, of course, for the speed and such. your power windows here, and a couple of USB outlets A and C, just like you would find in the front. Now, all the interior appointments are in billet metal instead of plastics, so you really have a elevated feel when you get into the cabin of this vehicle. So you have a great blend of sportiness, elegance, of course, and utility in this car, since you can get up to 8 people in here and also have all the gadgets and comforts that most people want to have in their car to cruise around, whether it's over the weekend for fun or maybe a short trip, whatever the case may be. Of course, this is a vehicle is very suitable for your lifestyle. As I said, this is part of our county collection, a limited run vehicle. If you have any questions about it, would like to find out more, come visit us at ECD. You know where to find us in all social media platforms. We'll be happy to help any way we can. Bye for now. Hope you like it.